An illegal lens mod is a modification that can damage or even break your lens if not made with extreme care. These mods do not respect the lens's original purposes. These two lenses, for example, look similar, but one was modified to create some stunning bokeh. This simple modification turns a vintage Mir 1B lens into a globular lens by just reversing the front element. You need to be extra careful to not scratch or break the lens during process. You can turn this Helios lens into a tilt lens by inserting it into a tight rubber tube. It's easy to remove the back of the Helios 44 too. Then you can insert a series of black paper shapes to modify the look of your bokeh. This same concept can be applied to the Jupiter 9 lens. By creating a transparent disc with a central fishing line and inserting it in the back of the lens, you get a cheap modification that gives you the look of anamorphic footage. This illegal mod will require that you destroy a used Kodak FunSaver camera to salvage its lens, and then create a 3D printed focusing helicoid to get sharp focus on a full-frame camera.
apart.